Hey students, this is your hints video for lesson 9.4, volume of prisms. So I have several examples for you. Number 6 is the volume of a rectangular prism. So it doesn't really matter which side you make the base of the rectangular prism, you're just multiplying the 3 dimensions. So in this case, our volume is 4 times 7 times 8.5. So we can think of this as 28 over 1 times 17 over 2. And we can simplify a little bit here. We get 14. So we have 14 times 17, which is 238. Oops. Try that again. 238 cubic meters. All right, the next one I have for you is a triangular prism. So remember that the triangle is always the base. So you're going to find the area of the base, and then you're going to multiply that by the perpendicular height. So in this case, the height isn't really going up and down. The height, it's kind of laid on its side, but that's okay. This 10 meters is still the height because that 10 is perpendicular to the base. So we know that our volume is the area of the base times the height. So the area of the base in this case is 1/2 times 7.2 times 4.8. And we're going to multiply that times that perpendicular height, which is 10. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. 7.2 times 4.8 times 0.5 is 17.28. I'm going to multiply by 10 and I get 172.8 cubic meters. Okay, the next problem asks you how many cubic inches are in a cubic foot. So I want you to think about if we were just talking about linear, a linear foot would be broken into 12 inches. But if we had a square foot, and this is obviously just a picture, a model here, if this was a square foot, I could divide each of those feet into 12 equal parts. I ran out of room here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll pretend that that's still a foot, so that's 12 that way. And then vertically, I'm going to divide this into 12 equal parts this way too. One more. Okay. So if I extend those here, in a square foot, I have 12 by 12 or 144 square inches. Now, if I make this a cube, I have to do 12 in every direction. So there's going to be 12 this way too. So my volume here will be 12 times 12 times 12. Or 1,728 cubic inches in this 1 cubic foot. Okay, next I have number 21 for you. 2 liters of water are poured into an empty vase shaped like an octagonal prism. We have the area of the base is 100 square centimeters. We need to find the height of the water. So we know that volume equals area of base times the height. In this case, we put in 2 liters or 2,000 cubic centimeters. And we know that the area of the base is 100. We're just solving for the height. So this is just a one-step equation. We're dividing by 100. And we get H equals 20 centimeters. Okay, the last problem I have is this gas tank problem. It tells us that the tank is 20% full already, and gas costs $3 per gallon. We need to find the cost to fill the tank. Okay, so we need to add whatever is remaining to get this tank all the way full. So let's first figure out what is the volume of the tank. And I'm given dimensions here in feet, but I can see that my gallons I'm given in cubic inches. So I want to convert these feet measurements to inches. So 1 foot is 12 inches, so 1.75 feet would be 12 plus 9, so that's 21 inches. I could also just multiply 1.75 times 12. Okay, and then 1.25 feet is 12 plus 3, so that's 15 inches. And my height, I'm already given in inches, that's 11 inches. So my volume in cubic inches will be 21 times 15 times 11. So I'm going to do that in my calculator, 21 times 15 times 11. So my volume is 3,465 cubic inches. But it's already 20% full, so I need to find 80% of 3,465. Okay, so that's 3,465 times 0.8. So that's 2,772 cubic inches still to go. Now I need to figure out how many gallons is that. So if I divide by 231, I find that that's 12 gallons. Okay, now I see that it's $3 per gallon, so I need to multiply that by 3, and it's going to cost me about $36 to fill the tank.